Hello, welcome back to Wanky's Workshop. I really should have called the channel that, shouldn't I? Anyway, there was supposed to be a second Secret Santa episode, and unfortunately no sign of the Secret Santa gift that was supposed to come to me. Oh, what could that be? Hello, yes. Oh, thank you. Oh, well, that just came in time. What? Oh, fell down behind the seat, did it? I see. Had a few sherries, did you? Oh, I see. Makes sense. Well, yeah. Well, all the best to Mrs. Claus. Yeah, yeah, and say and Buddy as well. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, see you next year. Oh, Barbados. Well, fair enough. All right. Well, see you. Bye. Arrived in the nick of time. So this is from Small Town Machine Shop, and I watched him make this, so I'm very excited. Let's go over to the unleashing bench and see what it is. Here we are. Marvelous. Look at that. A dead blow hammer, and I don't have a good dead blow hammer, so I am stoked to get this. And what's particularly excellent about this is that he cast the ends for this and machined them up, made all the molds and everything himself, and has sent all of that, his melting pot and the fixture, I suppose I should call it a mold, to make replacement heads. And I'll post a link to the video where he made all of this. So I won the Secret Santa overall, honestly. This is the best gift that went out. And he's included a whole bunch of meltables to make replacement heads. And of course, when these get beaten up, you can just melt them down and recast them. So this is phenomenal. That's really got some weight to it. That's got some heft. So I'm stoked to get that. Absolutely thrilled. A tool that I needed, and shop made to boot. Can't be beat. So there we are. It's hammer time. Big thank you to Adam at Small Town Machine Shop for going to the trouble of making this and shipping it out to me. And I know there was some shipping troubles, which is why I only got it this week. Such is life. We don't mind that. But phenomenal. Please go and subscribe to Adam's channel. Make sure you subscribe to mine, though. And go and follow him and see what he's up to. Does some incredible stuff. Again, thank you. A couple of other quick notable mentions. I would like to just thank Tom at Hilltop Machine Works, who sent me an excellent calendar. I was hoping to show it to you here, but of course I put it up in the office at work where I can use it, but that means I can't show it off. Nevertheless, thank you very much. And also to my friend Aaron, who supplied me this rather excellent Christmas ornament. Best ornament ever. So with that, in a moment, I'll give you a quick update on the bandsaw since I'm yakking. But for the time being, thank you very much for watching. Hope you're safe and well. Happy New Year. Hope that 2026 brings you everything that you desire and that it is a very successful year for you and for me and for everyone. All the very best. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and all that fun stuff. Be seeing you. Bandsaw progress. Here it is on its new built like a tank chassis. So since the last time I published a video, I got the cut material and welded it together. And even threw some paint on it, and I've got the casters on it. These casters were ones I just had lying around, the material I had lying around. I had a lovely chat with Mr. Tweed on Christmas Eve, and he recommended I put a shelf on it. I had that piece of particle board laying around, so I've got a shelf on it, and the saw itself is bolted down to the rolling chassis. And you may think it's a little bit odd that the chassis sticks out behind it, but that's where all the weight is. And it always used to be a little bit tippy, the saw. Always wanted to, it was sort of a little on the light side. So I've put the rear end just a little further back to make it stable. And I've made the base a little bit wider than the saw, again, for stability. And now I'm stoked. This thing is cutting better than it ever has. It's cutting square, true. The extra modifications to it have just made it so incredibly useful. So a few more things to finish up on it, and then there'll be a final video on the mods to this. 2 mods I might be abandoning is the addition of coolant and a hydraulic downfeed, because it just doesn't seem to need either one. But we'll see. But still to come, the table for when it's in the vertical position, and a quick release clamping screw setup. Anyway, cheers.